said I was going to do when I was stripping down, as part of the rebuild, this piece of pipe here was what constituted the exhaust. It's loud, it's noisy, it looks a mess. So we need to, it sees solid in there. So now I've got it clamped in the vise. It sees solid in there, and as I was trying to undo it, we was damaging things or potentially damaging things. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take the carburetor off the manifold, and then we're going to set to see if we can get this unscrewed. If not, we'll have to chop it out, measure the threads, and then we can order a silencer, a little can type silencer to go on this, look a lot nicer and make it a lot quieter. Let's take the carburetor off. Take it all off on one, because that carburetor is leaking a bit. So we'll do a rebuild on that, put some fresh gaskets, or make some gaskets, and get that rebuilt. But doing the big jobs first, getting the blasting done, getting things painted, rebuilding the big bits, and then the last few jobs will be, let's say, the carburetor, getting that done, painting the pretty bits, because there's some bits I want to paint non-standard, but I think they'll look nice. Possibly a red flywheel or red accents on the flywheel. See how we go. Where'd that go? Ooh, where did you go? Oh no, where's that gone? Where did that go? So, one of the good parts of filming what you're doing, you can watch where things fall. And after being rummaging around on the floor for 10 minutes, I watched the video back and I found a nut. Right, so carburetor's off. Just going to put a bit of special freeing oil in there. Barring. I'm not optimistic, but no. Fire. Let's get fire on the job. This could be rusted in, and I've got no chance, but we'll try this way before we go to the desperate method of cutting down the threads. Right. Oil's boiling out of there now. Oh, look at that! Oh, you jammy bugger! Haha, yes! Well, would you believe that? Oh, threads are as clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. Right. Let's have a measure. I think it'll be either inch or inch and a quarter BSP. But we'll get a measure and then we'll see from there. So on my chart that I've put up, the inch BSP is 33mm approximately. Now on this, I'm getting 30.5. What I'm going to do is measure this one. I've measured the inside of that at 30.5. I've measured the outside of this, got 33. Now, looking at my chart I've downloaded, that's a 1-inch BSP thread. So next thing we'll do with this, get the 1-inch BSP muffler ordered, and we'll get this blasted ready for paint, and then we'll take it from there. Right, till next time.